Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Know your algorithms, and today we'll see partition list problem of InterviewBit. It's a medium problem of InterviewBit and it has been asked in Microsoft. Okay, so mm, I will explain the problem here. So it is we have been given a linked list and a value x, and we have to partition the list in such a way that all the values which are less than x should move to left, and all the values which are equal or more than x should move to right. And we have to also maintain the relative order of the values. So given 1 4 3 2 5 2 and x is 3, so all the values which are less than x should move to left, so 1 2 2, and all the values which are more or equal should move to right, so 4 3 5. And you can see that. Okay, so I guess there are different approaches to this problem, and one of the easiest way is to use order of n space. uh, okay, so have two arrays, and one is for less and one is for more and equal, and just insert the values according to that. And then again, first XORs the less values of this array one by one, and then XORs the second less and greater values, and you can find the required list. Okay, so it's easy solution, but the problem with that is it takes order of n space. So if you want to do it in order of one, then considering that you like don't have to consider this uh, even and odd, uh, or the you don't have to consider the new list as a extra space. So in that sense it will be order of one. If you consider this as extra space, then it will also be order of n. So the, my solution is of, if I'm not considering it as order of n extra space, then it will be order of 1 and time will be order of n. So what I am doing is I'm just uh, having some pointers. First is temp equal to a. This is just the to iterate through the array, through the list actually, and this is to compensate the if and else condition when one list is empty and one is not empty, and that, so if it will create lots of if and else. So just to avoid that, I'm using dummy even and dummy odd. So basically it will not give me runtime error if, okay. And also I don't need to specify the if and else condition. So yeah, and then the pointers even and odd. So this is just to iterate through the list, and temp, while temp is not null, that is I'm not at the last, or I have iterated through the list. I will, like, if temp is temp's value is more than b is here x, so just naming convention or the names are changed. So if it is less than b, then dummy even, and just insert this node to the to the last of dummy one. Okay, and dummy one is equal to dummy one next, right? And then if it is more than or equal to, then dummy odd, and then this is just to go to next node, and then dummy even next equal to dummy odd. So basically at this line I am concatenating the two lists. Okay, the first even means less and odd means greater and equal, so I'm just concatenating these two lists, and then it lasts odd next equal to null. Okay, and then return even next. Yeah, so it's like that, right? So yeah, that is it. Now if I run this, it's a success, and I will submit it. Yeah, so okay, now this code is also available in the description below, and also the Python code will be there. So if you are comfortable with Python, then you can see that code also. And if thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video also. So thank you.